Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're explaining the Gen Z year age. Gen Z or Generation Z is typically people born between 1997 and 2012, sometimes stretched a bit earlier or later depending on the source. So, oldest Gen Z born around 1997 in their late the oldest Gen Z is born around 1997 in their late 20s now, and the youngest Gen Z born around 2012 in their early teens now. So after Gen Z comes Gen Alpha, which starts from 2013 mid-2020s, and that's how you can range every generation by age or by year of birth. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.